The La-Roche Posay Cicaplast mist has been the perfect addition to my skincare routine. Since it's got a bit colder, my skin's felt a lot more sensitive. This really hydrates my skin and instantly soothes any sort of discomfort that I might have. I think it's a multi-use product. I've used it on my face, I can use it on my body if I ever get any like eczema or rash. And also I found that because it's really lightweight, I can use it on top of any makeup that I'm wearing. I think it would be like the perfect item if you've gone like overboard with any actives that you might use in your skincare routine.
I've been trying the new La-Roche Posay Cicaplast spray. I do use the balm, like if I have little bits of eczema sometimes on my arms, I use the balm, which is amazing. So I was really intrigued to see how this would work in comparison. And overall, I've been really impressed. I love just how lightweight it is. Like it applies a really thin, fine mist, so it feels quite comfortable and dries really quickly. It also has an invisible format. I was expecting it to look a little bit white based on how the balm looks, but it is invisible, so you can quite easily spray it and not have to worry about it. I've tested it out on a little bit of like eczema patches and things like that. It makes my skin feel really soothed straight away, and all of the little bits of eczema that I've had have gone away, so it's great sort of for that preventative. If I have sort of long-term eczema, then I'll be intrigued to see how that works on that, but as like a little bit of a preventative measure, I've been really impressed with it.
Me and Karen, completely different skin types, have been giving this a go, and I thought it might be quite fun for us to discuss together.
Yeah.
What we thought about it. First impressions?
I really liked it. I love the original anyway format in the balm, but the fact that it's a spray now, I think is just a lot easier, and I also don't have to get it on my hands.
Yeah, because it can be quite greasy, can't it?
Yeah.
But this is just a thinner, more easier to apply.
Maybe I should spray it as well so people can see.
When I took it home to see if it could set my makeup, see if I could use it like a normal setting spray, but I found myself migrating to use it in other ways. So if I was shaving, I'd just spray it on all over. After the gym, it's the perfect, because it's not glass.
Yeah.
Like body moisturizer as well. I think it was a little bit scented compared to the normal one.
Do you know what? I don't smell it at all.
Yeah, it's really cooling. It's got like a to it, a little slip.
That's interesting. How do you find it works over your makeup then?
Didn't affect it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, hopefully you can see that it's
just... No, it didn't. I didn't try it over my makeup, only because I came at it from a different angle.
Yeah.
So for me, I came at it with, I've got eczema, hopefully this can be a great addition just to help me kind of, at the moment I'm in a tackle my eczema mode.
Yeah.
Maybe not tackle, control. I'm trying to get control. And this was just really, really lovely, really easy. I have got a crazy amount of steps in my skincare routine, not out of just pure like I love skincare and want it, but because I have to get out of the shower, I have to moisturize within 3 minutes, people say.
Yeah.
And then I do ointments, sometimes I have to do steroid creams. So adding adding something else sometimes is a bit overwhelming. But this was so easy because it was a spray, and it felt really like calming and soothing as well. Just a really nice addition, and I do feel like it has worked. I do feel like my eczema, I don't think we would have had video footage of what my eczema was like last time, but in the last maybe 3 weeks, it's been really bad. And today you can see that it's definitely calmed down. It used to be like really red and raw, but now I just feel like with this, in conjunction with my other products that I use, it's just really helped to like soothe and kind of get back like control
a bit
of my
balance.
eczema. Yeah.
Even when I dermaplane to my face, I'm always looking for that sort of soothing step that doesn't make everything go all spike. And this was a really good interim step. I will say though, like if I had a cut or something I like needed to heal, like a straightener burn like constantly, the cream worked better.
Yeah.
That more concentrated application did work much better. But this is a great step for anyone who loves Cicaplast. It actually moved around my house with me. Yeah. So I had it in the bathroom for a bit, I had it next to my bed for a bit. It kind of moved with me throughout the day, which always then is a good testament to how much I used it and needed it. So
yeah, definitely.
I think we're impressed.
Yeah.